Hey kids, and welcome to day 8 of a very Windows Christmas. So for day 8, what I thought we would do is we're going to be installing Windows NT 4.0 build 1234. This is, I believe, a beta 1 build. So let's just jump straight into it. Alright, now we have the 1234 ISO in the CD drive, so let's do this. There we go. Now we're off. Okay. Let's just go through this real quick. Alright, Windows NT setup. As you can see, this banner here, it's a bit different. It's 5 flags in different colors. Alright, typical. My name and my organization. Call this build 1234. 1, 2, 3, 4. Funny. Right, finishing setup. Alright. Restart. Now, we should have a full, complete copy of Windows NT 4.0 build 1234. Alright. Here we are. Alright. Welcome to Windows NT. So yeah, as you can see, we have a nice different startup banner over here. We're just gonna set the wallpaper to this. So as you can see, the WinNT 256.bmp thing here is basically the Windows NT 3.5 wallpaper, but you know, it says 4.0 instead of 3.51. The copyright date is 1996 and not 1995, and has the word beta on the side. Very bold text, but it's, you know, semi-transparent. So yeah, very cool, very cool. Oh look, Minesweeper, always gotta play this. Do 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 do. Ooh, let's mark these. I don't know, it's looking right as why. Ooh. 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 Here. 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 Oh. Oh, well. Anyways, yeah. That's pretty much about it. I mean, it's pretty much the exact same as NT4, but it's just a bit less unstable and with a few differences. Like, once again, we got this different start menu banner over here. It's very cheap looking, but yeah. I mean, whatever. I mean, me and editing probably wants to get this over with already. So I'm just going to end it right here. So yeah, that is it for day 8 of A Very Wondrous Christmas. And stay tuned to day 9. Alright, thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you later. Bye!